Yeah, now I hope the audio is back. So please type in there if audio is back, okay? Okay, fine. So we're going to get started through this, and we have a live analysis of all the branches for GATE 2020. You can tune it to us and we'll be giving you a very quick live analysis. All right, so good evening everyone, and it's good to see you here. I hope now this is resolved, okay? Now this is the question number 1. Let's get started because already few minutes are wasted in this. So let's get started, okay? Fine. Come on. Yeah. So what do you think about it? You have to use the trapezoidal rule with 3 intervals of equal length between 0 and pi, and you have to find the error of computation. Okay, so please come up with options quickly. Let's do this, okay? Yeah. So you guys there? Hello? Yeah, Tarun, hi. You just need to calculate the error in this computation when you do it using trapezoidal rule. This is from numerical methods. Okay, yes, so please keep on moving and try to solve this. Okay, so yes, Kundan, it's good to see you, right? And for your information, actually, I need to see to my laptop for your comments, all right? Yeah, come on. And keep on sharing this and keep on liking this video. It will be really helpful to us, right? Yes, come on. Let's get started. So what do you think it is? Exam ko folna hai. Nirmal Kumar, yes, please do it, okay? Yeah, so what do you think about this? I have already mentioned the question over here. What do you think it is? I hope this is clear to you. Yeah, so please do it. Any answers? I have not gotten even a single answer for this. Okay, Satyakant, yeah, I got the answer. Yeah. Vignesh Raina, yes, I'm getting the answers over here. All right, good. So keep on answering. Okay, keep on answering this. Let's see how do you do. Yeah, and keep on sharing this, guys, as it might be helpful to other people out there. Okay, yeah. So, okay. Chalo. Fine, 0.186. Yeah, so this is 0.186. Firstly, you need to compute it using trapezoidal. Okay, now you need to know this. NH equals to B minus A. N is the number of intervals, then that is given to be 3 to us. So 3 into H equals to B here is pi minus 0. So H equals to pi upon 3 there. So the step size here is 3. So fx, you need to calculate this firstly in 0 because starting from 0, right? The second one is going to be pi upon 3 because the step size is pi upon 3. Then 2 pi upon 3, then it will be 1 over here, right? Now you need to calculate the value of fx. Fx here is given by this. Fx equals to sine x plus cos x. Is that good? Now you tune in these values in this, and integration, numerical integration of fx dx is h upon 2 into here we'll talk about f0 plus f0 plus f1 plus twice of f pi upon 3 plus f of twice pi upon 3, right? So these value, if you put in h, you already know h is pi upon 3, all right? You'll get a value over here, all right? Now once you integrate this, if you're going to integrate this sine x plus cos x dx from 0 to pi, you will get a value here. Alright, the difference between this value and this value, this is what is asked. Alright, so this is what is error. Okay, fine. So yeah, so 0.186 is the answer for this. And yes, let's, okay, fine. So please come up with question number 2. Come on, let's do it. Okay, come on, can you see this? Yeah, 0.186. So yeah, most of you got it correctly. Rahul also got it correctly. Diksha got it correctly. All right, so good. And Kundan also got it correctly. All right, so CSE, yeah, CSE also you can tune in. All right, but this complex is not in CSE. All right, so what do you think it is? Yeah, Mitali, Uday says 0, Simi also says 0. Okay, and I need to look here in my laptop. That's there. Okay, downward, that's why I'm looking there. Okay, 0.198 is also an answer. Haritha, Ajay says 0. Okay, Akhil Gupta says 0. Now, okay, now it has a singularity, z equals to 2. And if I plot this, mod of z equals to 1, all right, this is how it is. The radius is 1. Okay, now this is 1 comma 0. So this point 2 comma 0 is outside of this, and we are talking about a line integral over here. So it has to be 0, right? So congrats, those who got it correctly. Yes. So Vignesh is also saying 0, 0. Yeah. Yeah, so you can tune in. Okay, computer science also can tune into it. But yes, few questions will be outside of your scope. No need to bother about it. Okay, just skip them. All right. That's all. For computer science, I am speaking here. So the third question. Okay. Now please come up with this. Please come up with this. If you are able to see this. Okay. Yeah. Sushank Kumar. Yeah, at least one question is going to be asked from complex, Sushank. Okay. Yeah. So now Gattu also says 0. All right. So come up, guys. Let's see how you fare in this. Okay. So which one of these is the correct answer for this? Okay, Rohit says B. All right. Okay. Harsha Vardhan says B as well. So let's see how it is. Mitali also says B, 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 B. B. Is that B? Okay. Danesh says B. Lost many B's. Animesh says C. Okay. So let's see. Okay, fine. Guys, keep on sharing this, keep on liking this, all right? Now, what is, okay, let me break it down over here. I can write it something like this. Log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x to the power 1 upon 2. That is nothing but half of log 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, right? So, this is nothing but log half of 1 plus x minus log of 1 minus x, right? So this is going to be x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 and so on minus, okay, okay, so that is going to be minus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3 and so on. I just replace x by minus x here, okay, log 1 minus x. If we talk about, then what you're going to get, half of x plus x cube upon 3 and x to the power 5 upon 5, okay, this is 3, okay, and you are also going to get it twice here and so on. So that is option number C, all right. X cube upon 3 also you must be getting. So option number 3, this 2 will cancel this 2, all right. So option number 3. So a very good evening, Santosh. I hope you are doing great out there, okay. Keep on sharing this, guys. Keep on sharing this and keep on liking this. It will going to help me and my team and everyone out there, okay. So thank you very much. Okay, what do you think about this? Discrete random variable had the following probability distribution, then the standard deviation you have to calculate, all right. So quickly tell me. Okay, fine, chalo, quickly tell me. x equal to -1, it's not, log 0 is not defined, right? Log 1 plus, if you put x equal to -1, x cannot take -1 value because log 0 is not defined. So you cannot say that x equal to -1, okay? Who is saying? Akhil Gupta is saying that. Okay, fine. Come on with this. What do you think it is? Satyakant says C, okay. And Varun says C. Jainam Shah says D, okay. So please keep on, this is a very straightforward question, all right. And this is very easy. You just have formula for this. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Gautam, it will be available in YouTube after the session as well. So what you need to do is firstly calculate the mean. Mean is nothing but sigma px into x, right? So I'm going to just multiply them and add them, okay? So -1 into 2 upon 3, it becomes 0. So mean is 0, right? So sigma square is nothing but expectation of x square minus mean square, all right? So here mean is 0, so we just need to calculate ex square, okay? All right, now x square here is 4, so 4 into 1 upon 3, okay, plus 1 into 2 upon 3. Is that good? So this is nothing but 2. Is that good? Yes. So sigma square equals to 2. So sigma equals to √2. Here mu is 0, okay? I have put mu equals to 0. So 1.41 is the option for this. I'm going to get away from your line of sight. And this is how it's done. Is that good? Yes. Yeah. C. So fine. Good. 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 Mean will be 0. Yes. Mean has to be 0. And you need to calculate obviously ex square and mean. They are related like that. All right. Yes. Is that good? So C is the option. And next question. Then please come up with this. A is a 3×3 matrix where eigenvalues 1, -1 and 3. Then what? What should be the best option? Yeah, so keep on liking this, guys. Keep on sharing this so that others might also be benefited, okay? So what do you think about this? What do you think about this? So people are saying it's B. Suraj says C, Pooja says A, Venkat says D. Yeah, so come on. Preeti says it's B, okay. What is singular? Singular means that the determinant of a matrix is 0, right? That's what is singular. And non-singular means that determinant is non-zero. That's all, right? Yeah. So what do you think about it? B, people saying B. Okay, fine. So A has eigenvalues of 1, -1 and 3. So A square has eigenvalues of 1, 1 and 9. I just squared them, all right? This is a property. Is that good? Okay, let me tell you the answer I hope here is, I think it's C. Yes, it's a C. Okay, now I'm going to tell you why is it C, okay? You can check it with the remaining numbers out there. Okay, let's say this. So eigenvalue of lambda 1 of A square plus 3A equals to, I'm just going to put these values, okay, over here. So A square I've already calculated. For lambda equals to 1, I'm going to just substitute these values here. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4, all right? And lambda 2 equals to, lambda 2 of A square plus 3A equals to, I'm going to put, instead of A, I'm going to put -1 over here, all right? So that is 1 minus 3 equals to -2, all right? Yes. Now lambda 3 of A square plus 3A, I'm just going to put 3 here, all right? You need not consider this, okay? If you're getting confused, it's fine. Need not consider that. So I just put 9 plus 9 equals to 18. Now obviously, if I calculate the determinant of this matrix, okay, determinant of A square plus 3A, that is nothing but 4 into minus 2 into 18. Obviously that is not equal to 0. That's why C is the option for us. Okay guys, you can check up. Alright, so yeah, Sandeep got it correctly, Uday Kumar got it correctly, Somen got it correctly, Abhishek and Pavitra also got it correctly. Alright, so I congratulate to all of you. Keep on sharing this guys, keep on liking this, and let's take the another question. Next question. Alright, so yeah, this one. What do you think it is? Come on. Come on. Somi says A. Okay, let's see if he's true. Disha says B. Okay, let's see if she's also right. Okay, just keep on telling guys, keep on calculating. I'll also do. Okay, items are B and C are equal number of items. Let's say B produces X items, C also produces X items. Okay, and B and C produce equal number of items, and A produces twice X. It's all given, right? Okay, A and B are defective. 2% of balls are defective. Okay, fine. So okay, A is producing 2x and 2% of 2x are defective. This is what it tells, right? So that is 0.04x are defective. I'm going to write defective here. B produces X, okay, and 2% of A, right? 2% of bold are A, and B also 2% are defective. So B also, these many numbers are defective. For C, XC produces X numbers, and for C 4%, so 0.04x for C are also defective. Now we just have to pick one item, and the probability of that it is defective is, this is what we need to find. So if you calculate this is going to be 0.1x, right? So probability is nothing but 0.1x upon total number over here, right? A plus B plus C, that is 4x. Okay, so that the correct answer is first, guys. Okay, A is the correct option. So yes, Sai says A, Nilesh says B, Sandeep says C. So A is the correct answer, guys. Okay, Mohit also said A. Okay, good, fine. Yeah, so this is how it should be done. Okay, next question. Fine. Complementary function you have to find of a homogeneous linear system of differential equations. So what do you think it should be? Come on guys, yeah. I'm looking for answers. Okay. Yes, Suraj Somi says A. Okay. Yeah, so what do you think it is? Come on guys, come on. This is a homogeneous linear equation. So which one do you think is correct? Diksha says A, Ayushi says D. Okay, Rupesh says A. So what I need to do is x equal to e to the power z I introduce, all right? And let's say theta equal to d upon dz. Okay, then this term, once I include these two things over there, this term becomes theta into theta minus 1 into y, the first term over here, minus x dy upon dx becomes theta into y minus 3y equals to what is x square, that is e to the power twice z into log x. Log x is z, right? Into z. So you just need to find complementary function is nothing but when you put these coefficients to 0, right? So theta into theta minus 1 minus theta minus 3 equals to 0. So which means theta square minus theta minus twice theta minus 3 equals to 0. So what it means is theta equals to 3 and minus 1, right? So okay, let's do this. Plus 3 theta minus 2 theta, no, 3 theta minus theta, no, just messing it. I'm just getting messed here. Minus 3 theta plus theta, that is minus 2 theta minus 3 equals to 0. All right, so if we factorize it, it's going to be theta into theta minus 3 plus 1 into theta minus 3 equals to 0. So theta equals to minus 1 and theta equals to 3. All right. Now, I'm going to write it over here, or I'm going to write it over here. All right. Now, because this is what we are trying to do is, here we are trying to find y as a function of z through this, okay? All right. Now, what should be the complementary function of this? No, this is not complementary function. This is an equation that is needed to calculate the auxiliary function. All right, guys. So what should be the auxiliary function? So it should be y equal to c1 e to the power, because theta is 1, so e to the minus z, plus c2 e to the power 3z. All right. Now this is e to the power z is x, so this becomes c1 x inverse plus c2 e to the power 3z will be x cube. All right. So c1 x cube plus c2 x inverse, this is an option of it, obviously. All right. So yeah, b, d, d, d. So b, whosoever said b, Suraj, Amrut, Kundan, yeah, so you got it correctly. All right. So congrats. Okay, next one. What do you think it is? Just tell me, what do you think it is? Okay. So please like this, share this with maximum people so that they can be benefited from this as well. All right, guys. So what do you think about this? This is very straightforward. What do you think about it? Come on. Okay, Satyakant say, Ayushi. Okay. Yeah, so almost every one of you is saying it. It's 90 degrees, obviously. Yes, so it is 90 degrees. Okay. If you plot this, it will be somewhere here. This is corresponding to, 1, 1. All right, and this is asking for minus 1, 1. Obviously, it will be 90 degrees in between the two line segments. All right, so congratulate 90 degree. Okay, Ajay Chandran, you cannot write pi upon 2 because it's already given. It's already given degrees over here, so your answer is going to be wrong. Okay, don't say pi upon 2, say 90. Okay, 90 is the correct answer, not even 90 degrees. Now please guys, come up with this 9th question. Yeah, so please take care of this. Okay, come on guys. Yes. No, 270 is also not correct there. Okay, because this is in the first. This is how it's done. Okay, principal argument lies in between. It cannot be 270. All right, that's what I'm trying to tell you. This is 90. If you have taken something like this, no, it's not like that. Okay, you always take it in these values. Okay, fine. So what it is? So please, which one is correct? Okay, don't tell me 4 upon 9, guys. Okay, which one of these is correct? This is what I want to know. All right. And okay, none of the above. Is that it? None of the above. Are you saying that? Okay, fine. So how do you calculate this? 1 minus 1, 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is nothing but trace, that is 1 minus 1 upon 3, that is 2 upon 3, and the product of this is mod of A, so that becomes 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Alright, that is 3 upon 9, 1 upon 9. Yes? Yeah. So this is nothing but lambda 1 plus lambda 2 whole square minus lambda 1 lambda 2, right? This is what it can be written something like this, alright? Twice, yes. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 whole square becomes 2 upon 3 whole square minus lambda 1 lambda 2, that is 1 upon 9. So this is 4 upon 9 minus 1 upon 9. So this is nothing but 3 upon 9 equals to 1 upon 3. So 0.33 is the correct option over here, right? Yes, I just reconfigured it, alright? Yeah, so most of you got it correctly. Paban, Pavitra, Amrut, Pavan, Puranjit, yes. So this is how it's done, alright? Chalo. Next one. Please do this. It's a question from probability and obviously, yeah. Yeah, Shanmuga, actually yes, IISc is the best institute of India, okay, if you want to go into research field. That's how it's very different, and that's how, you know, because once you enter IISc, no one is going to tell you about getting you a job. Everyone's talking about, you know, getting another PhD outside of India or inside of India. That's how it's different, okay? Shanmuga, I was replying to you. Okay, come on guys, chalo, let's do this. Tails shown up is less than the number of times heads show up. What do you think it is? Is it 0? 0. Okay. Number of times tails show up is less than number of times heads show up. So that means that, okay, 5, at least there must be 3 heads out there. Yes, then only tails are going to be lesser than number of heads. So this is how it should be, right? Is that good? Or heads should be 4 times and tail should be once, or all heads, head, all 5 of them head, okay? Now for this, what are the number of possibilities? Less than, right? Yeah. So 5 factorial, you need to arrange them. 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 2 factorial, right? This is repeating 3 times, this is repeating twice. So this is what we write, okay? Then 5 into 4 upon 2, 4, 10. There can be 10 ways for this. Similarly for this, how many ways? 5 factorial upon 4 factorial into 1 factorial. For this, if you arrange them, right? So that is nothing but 5 into 4 factorial, that's 5, right? Is that good? Yes? Now, number of ways for this configuration is going to be just 1. There's just one way in which this can be done, right? So total number of ways equals to, you need to add them. Which one of these? 10, 5 and 1. That is 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 16. Alright, now total number of possibilities here equals to, because it's thrown 5 times, so that will be 2 to the power 5 equals to 32. Alright, hence the probability is going to be 16 upon 32, that is 1 upon 2. Alright, so yeah, how many of you got it correctly? A, yes, people are saying A. Puranjit, Pavan, Amrut, Pavitra also says A, right? So Mahmooda, yes, you got it correctly. Okay, so A is the option here. and I'm going to just get away so that you can have a quick look at this, because we need to solve further more questions. Okay, yes, yeah. So let's get started again. Question number 11th. What do you think it is? Yes, Shanmuga, you're right, okay? Don't worry about that. Yes, if you want to get a job, go to IIT, okay? IISc is for research. Fine, chalo. Shivam, yeah, if you can apply binomial, it's good. Chalo. Abhishek says, what about this? What about this? Yattu says A, Gaurav Bhatt says A. Okay, fine, come on. Rest of you guys, come on, keep on sharing this, keep on liking this, and yeah. A. All right, chalo. Okay. Okay. So this is a very straightforward question. All right, you just need to explain it, or convert this to a two variable and a two equation system. So you just need to eliminate one of the variables in this. Once you do that, you'll be getting this. A plus B plus C should not be equal to 0, all right? Is that good? Yeah, so A is the option, and yeah, so these are very straightforward questions, guys, okay? You just need to convert or eliminate one variable from this, then you can tell it, because you know how two variable and two equation systems do. Yes, good. And what about this? Chalo guys, let's do this in 1 minute, okay? Yeah. Chalo. Sanjay Singh, I have already told you that just eliminate one of the variables, keep them to two variables only, all right? Yeah, chalo. Come on. The next one. Okay, Sanjay Singh says option A. All right, let's see. Good. A, 12th. Okay, fine. Sai Surya says it should be 0.5. All right, Sandeep Kumar says A. Okay. So yes, A. Satyakant says A. Fine. A. So what is given is expected value of x is 2.3. So what it means is, if you integrate this function x into a plus bx dx, that's given out to be 2/3. Okay, this is given out to be 2/3, equation number 1. And because this is a probability density function, if you integrate this a plus bx into dx, that should sum up to 1. If you solve these two equations, you are going to get okay, now you'll be getting the values of a and b, all right? A and b you'll be getting. Okay, then what is probability of x less than 0.5? That is nothing but 0 to 0.5, because it's starting from 0. Okay, integration of a plus bx dx. If you integrate the probability density function, you get the probability, all right? Now if you solve this, I think you'll be getting a 0.25. Okay, 12th. Yes, A is the option here. All right, yes. Education of two variables, A equal to 0, B equal to 2. What is that? Yes, A equal to 0 and B equal to 2, if you are getting that. Yes. Okay, good. Because this is expected, right? This is expected value, x into this. If you integrate this from 0 to 1, that is given to be 2/3. And because this is a probability density function, if you integrate it within the limits, it should sum up to 1, and you'll be getting 0 to 0.5. Okay, here should be 0 to 0.5 because of this x less than 0.5. I hope I'm making my point here. Okay, good. Yes, fine. So A is the option here. Next question. Okay. Yeah, I have already repeated it. Chalo. Okay, fine. So A is this, and 1 and 2 eigenvalues of A equals to that. So it is not equal to, this is should be multiplication, all right. A into 1 0 minus 1 equals to 3 0 minus 3 is given to you. Now you have to find A to the 4 into 1 minus 1 0, all right. So please do this. What do you think it is? Okay, chalo. Come on, guys. Come on, I don't have time, okay? I just have, I think my time is up, okay? This is the last question. Kelly Hamilton, okay? My time's up. That's why I'm not getting the time to if I keep on repeating and explaining everything in detail, so we cannot solve 20 questions here, all right? Okay. So, what do you think it is? It's a bit tricky question, all right? It's not that straightforward. Let me tell you this. A or D. Don't tell Suraj. Suraj says A or D. Just be sure, okay? B, people say. Okay, B. Sandeep Kumar says B. Okay, now let me tell you this question. Okay, this is given, okay? A into this equal to this. So just write it like this. Take 3 out of the here. 1 0 minus 1. So this is of the form Ax equal to lambda x, right? This is x here. Okay, if you're not getting this, then A into this 1 0 minus 1. So what it means is lambda equals to 3 is also an eigenvalue of A. Is that good? Yes. Now if you add these, what if you add all the eigenvalues, what do you get? Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. If you add these 3 plus 2 plus 1, you are going to get 6. That should be equal to B plus 1 plus 0. B plus 1 plus 0, so B equals to 5. All right, yes. Now please tell me, if I and lambda 1 lambda 2 into lambda 3 is nothing but modulus of A, all right. If you do the product of 3 of the eigenvalues here, so that is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 equals 2. Now please expand this, okay? So that is going to be A minus B minus 3 into minus 2 minus A, minus 2 minus A. All right. Now just plug in these value, guys. A minus B minus 3 and minus 2 minus A, and try to calculate A from here. So what is the value of A that you're getting? Okay. 2, 3, 6, 4. Okay, I think you'll be getting A equals to 2 here, all right? If you solve this equation, you're going to get A equals to 2, all right? So please confirm if this is true. Okay, if I plug in A equal to 2 in there, so 2 minus 6 and A equal to 2 minus 4 plus 12. Yes, so A equal to 2 you'll be getting. Yes. So this is a tricky question, guys. Just hold on, okay? This is not very easy. So what do we have? A equal to 2 and B equal to 5. All right. Now let me check, okay, because this is an eigenvector of A, because this is Ax equal to lambda x, right? So 1 0 minus 1 is the eigenvector of A. Let me check if this is also an eigenvector of A, because this looks like 1, okay? Eigenvectors are almost similar types. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just check if okay, so 0 minus 1 A, 0 minus 1 2, because A is 2, minus 2 1 2, minus 2 1 2, okay, minus 3 minus 1 B, minus 3 minus 1 B, B is nothing but 5, so I'm going to put 5 over here, Okay, b equals to 5. Yes, so I'm just checking if this is the eigenvector of A. All right, so 1 minus 1 0. So if I multiply this, what I'm going to get, minus 2 plus, no, 0, this is minus 2. All right, now I'm going to get minus 1, minus 1 and 0. Right, I think there's something wrong in here. 1 minus 1 0 and 0 minus 1 A minus 2 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 B. B is nothing but 5, right? Yes, so that is equal to 0. That should be 2 actually. 0 into this, into this, to this, then it should be minus 1, it should be minus 2, then 2 minus 2 and 0. So this is nothing but, if I take 2 out of it, 1 minus 1 0. So this is also in the form of Ax equal to lambda x. So that means that 1 minus 1 0 is eigenvector of A. All right, is that good? Yeah, so it's plus 2. Yes, I'm getting that. Sometimes it gets really messy. So a to the power 4 into this thing should be a to the power 4 into 1 minus 1 0. It should be lambda to the power 4 into 1 minus 1 0, right? Is that good? Because a to the power 4 into x equal to lambda 4 x. This is what we know. Is that good? Now what is lambda? Lambda is 2 here, right? Eigenvalue is 2 here. So 2 to the power 4 into 1 minus 1 0. So it should have been 16 minus 16 and 0. So option D is correct. It's a very tricky question, all right? D is correct for it. All right. Okay, now yes. So D is the option. I hope this is clear to you, all right? It's a bit lengthy, it's a bit tricky, all right? Because you can tell looking at it that this is nothing but a to the 4 into x. That I could, once I saw this question for the first time, that I felt that, okay, this should be an eigenvector, so that I can write it something like this, lambda 4, 1 minus 1, 0. So this is what we proved, okay? This is the eigenvector of A as well, all right? Yeah, chalo. Honey Singh is not tricky? Fine, good. If it's not tricky, good. Okay, now please solve this. Please solve this, question number 14th. Chalo. So D, he says, all right. So come on, quickly you need to do is just a cross product, and you need to take multiplication of this, okay? And keep on liking, guys, keep on sharing this video, and spread the word. Okay, D. Varun Reddy also says Z. Okay, this is straightforward. Don't get it wrong, all right? Okay. D. So how do you going to do it? I'm not getting the responses. Now this is a very easy question, all right? Yeah. C, D. Okay. Nihar says D. Siva says D. Okay, fine. So what is the modulus of A cross B? That is nothing but mod of A mod of B into sine theta. All right. So that is nothing but 4 into 2 into sine pi upon 6, that is 4. So if you are going to square this, you will be getting 16, all right? A plus B whole square you need to compute. So 16 is the option for the. All right, Shivam, I don't think there will be lecture tomorrow, Shivam. Maybe that aptitude lecture will be planned, but yes, you will be notified, okay? Shivam Ran, I am talking to. Okay, fine, next one. Okay, now this one will be exact if. Come on, guys. Yeah, so Please try this, please try this. Okay, yeah, Gattu also said that. D, okay, good. Gaurav Bhatt says D. Jaya, yeah, it's also nice to see you there. Jaya Chandra, okay, good. Come on, keep on solving, keep on applying your mind. Just don't think, okay, you need to write it. You need to write everything that you're getting. Otherwise, sometimes it doesn't strike the mind. That's what it is, all right? So come on, keep on pushing yourself, okay? Yeah, so Abhishek says A, all right, fine. A, Shiva says A, Diksha says A, Ibrahim says hi Ibrahim. Janam Shah says A, okay, Prithviraj V says A, okay. Okay, yeah, so it's m dx plus n dy equals to 0 is exact if del m upon del y equals to del n upon del x, right? So del m upon del y, what should I write? Twice ay equals to b del x, right? So it should be by. So that means b equals to twice a. So A is the option, right? Almost every one of you got it correctly. Good. Okay, so we are having a bit of time crunch here, so let's move to another question. Okay, yeah, so please do this. Please do this. It's a line integral, all right? Or just forget about line integral, just calculate this, that's all. Okay, chalo. Yeah, so keep on moving, guys. Keep on doing the great things in your life. Keep on pushing your limits, okay, and keep on getting out of your comfort zones. Keep on thinking better, then only good things happen to you. Otherwise, if you think bad things are going to happen to you, okay? And keep on believing in yourself so that you soar high, you achieve what you intend to achieve, all right? Yes, so this one, yes, please come up. Nihar, easy, okay, yeah, so what do you think about this? Okay, so I'm going to just write, this is an equation of a line in 3D, all right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just write equation of this line, all right? So I'm going to say that x minus 0 upon 4 minus 0, because this is 4 and this is x, equals to y minus 2, this one upon 1 minus 2 equals to z minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay, this is how we write an equation in 3D. Right? Yes, equals to, let's say I'm saying it as k, so x equals to 4k, all right, y equals to minus k plus 2, all right, z equals to minus twice k plus 1. Okay, so y minus 0, y minus 2 upon 1 minus 2 is this, so y equals to minus k plus 2, yes, and z minus 1 upon minus 1 equals to k, so z equals to minus 2k plus 1, all right, yes. So that means dx equals to 4 of dk, and this means dy equals to minus dk, is that it? Okay, so 0 to 1 to 4, 1 minus 1, so y minus 2 upon minus 1, yeah, looks like good, so minus dk, all right, and dz equals to minus 2 of dk, all right. Now all of these values you need to plug in here. Put the value of z equal to minus 2k plus 1, the value of y equals to minus k plus 2 is kind of that, okay. Yeah, so it's fine, okay. Now the limits of k should be, because x equals to 4k, let's say the limits of k should be, because x lies in between 0 to 4, so k will lie in between 0 to 1. So here, you're just going to put these values, all right, guys. So dx, dy, dz I have already calculated over here. X, y, and z, everything should be in k, and the limit should be from 0 to 1. Then you will get A option. Okay, yeah, this is minus 11. All right, good. Okay, yeah, Akash said it correctly. Kundan, Ajay Kumar said it correctly. All right, yes, that's all right. So this is a way. There might be another way as well. Okay, fine. Yeah, Diksha also says A. All right, good. So please tell me this thing. Sine mod of x is not differentiable at. So guys, quickly let's do this. Quickly let's do this. All right, and let's say that this is going to be the last question. Okay, yeah, so let's do this. This is going to be the last question, then we are going to disperse. All right, so please come up with this. Sine mod of x is not differentiable at, what do you think it is? Yeah, so Bhavesh says A, n equal to 1, 2, 3. Siddharth says C, Ibrahim says B, right? Yeah. Ankit says D. Okay, Satyakant says A. Okay, so let me plot the graph of it, and so that you might be able to this is the graph of it. Obviously, if you see, this is non-differentiable at x equal to 0 because of non-smoothness out there. All right, so B is the option for it. Okay, x equal to 0 is going to be non-differentiable. Is that good? Yes. Hello, is that good? Yes. Okay, fine. Yes. So, yeah. Is that good? Yes. Okay. Now next one. Come on. E to the power x is non-differentiable at. Okay. After this, I am going to terminate it. Okay. So please come up. So awesome. Yes, I like that word. Okay. Awesome. You should be awesome. All right. Yes. Okay, and keep on liking it, guys. Keep on sharing this, then it'll be helpful for us. Okay, so what is it? Nihar Bakshi, B. Okay, B. Okay. Kundan Gattu says B. All right, is that B? Really? Ajay says D. Okay, Shivam says D. All right. Okay. Chintu says B, E. There's no option E, right? See, mod of EX is like this, right? And this is always positive. So, sorry, EX looks like this, right? So, what should it be? This. Mod of EX should also be this. Because it's always positive, right? So, this is also same. And e to the power x is always differentiable, right? Is that good? So it's a D, none of the above. So I hope that I gave you some content. I gave you, yes, D. Diksha, no. Puranjit Das says D. Shivar Prasad also said D. Okay, Kumar. Yeah, few of you said it very correctly, but yeah, these concepts need to be grasped at the root level. All right, now this is all from my side, guys, because I have time constraint over here, and let's see if we can meet yeah, so just believe in yourself, give your best. All right, and I hope that you're going to do great in GATE and subsequently in your life. And let me tell you, GATE is not very tough. It's easy if you believe it's easy. So with that, chalo, God, be blessed by the divine, keep on smiling and be happy. Okay, fine. Thank you.